found them.
You found one?
I'm going to look at the luncher.
Which letter does it match? There you go. What letter is that?
Letter X.
Good job. Match it.
Right here.
Good job.
We're searching for letters.
You're searching for letters? Yes, you are. Say hello, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. Can you say, before we get started, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, right? Yeah. So today we are bringing you an alphabet game. Now where does this go?
I'm trying to dig.
Yeah, you're trying to dig. So this game or lesson utilizes these little wooden letters that we found on Amazon, and it comes in a variety pack, so you can get like 4 of each letter in the little pack. And I went and I made a card that matches each letter, so you can see, for example, this U is the same size and the same color. This is a Montessori standard that we use because we do a lot of Montessori activities in this house, but you can do more with them. So I made this card. There's a link in the description box if you want to download this, and I'll leave a link to the letters if you would like to purchase the matching ones on Amazon. But basically what we're doing right now is we're doing an alphabet letter that's kind of stalling her a little bit. So instead of just giving these and matching them and being done with what we're teaching her in a minute or two, she actually has to find all of the letters in the sand, which adds a bit of a sensory aspect to it as well.
I found one.
And some motor skills, so she has to dig for them, she has to find them. The kinetic sand, like I said, it's sensory, so it's not just regular sand, it's kinetic sand.
It's a magic sand.
It is magic sand, isn't it?
I found one.
So she's looking for all the letters right now, which is super exciting for her because she loves the kinetic sand. So it's keeping her entertained and focused on the lesson that she's doing.
I'm finding some letters.
And then once she finds them all, she'll match them. And she'll match them and say the letter at the same time. So she's learning her letters. Right now we're doing capital letters, but you can always do lowercase as well. And if your child knows the letters, you can have them say the sounds instead. So like when she finds A, she can say a instead of a. Or if you're a Montessori parent and your child knows first that A says a instead of the letter name, then you can go ahead and start teaching them the letter names. Are you finding them all?
Yes.
Yes?
I'm finding them letters down here.
Are they all the way down there?
Mm-hmm.
They are.
I hear something.
You hear something?
Mommy, take a look.
Take a look, okay. What do we see? I can barely see in there. It's so dark.
I got out there.
Do you know what letter that is?
I don't know.
Yes, you do. Put it out. Let us see.
Found your room. That's a blue one.
You found a blue one? Well, Mommy was going to say next if...
It's a one.
It's a 1. Mommy was going to say if your child isn't quite ready for letters yet, these are also good for colors. Or if you can find numbers, right? So even if your child doesn't know their letters or you're not ready to work on letters just yet, you can do, purple, red. There's a couple different shades, so this is kind of purple and purple. Blue, there's different color greens, or aqua, I guess, if you want to get super technical. So you can always use this for colors, and then later on, when they're a little bit older, transition into letters and letter sound and phonics.
I'm digging, Mommy.
You're digging.
And I'm digging.
You are digging. You're gonna find all of them. Yeah.
All the letters.
All of the letters.
I found one.
Make sure it stays on the table.
getting some more.
You're getting some more?
Mommy.
Yes, Maddie.
Yum.
Finding more? I think it's all gone. I think we've got them all.
No, but we bring them back.
Yeah, put it back. That way we don't make a mess. Do you want to sing the ABC song?
Yes.
Ready? A, B.
C,
Keep going.
E, F, G,
H, I.
K, K,
Keep going. L, M.
O, P,
Q, R.
S,
T, U.
B,
W.
X,
Y, N.
C.
Now I.
No, my
A, B.
C.
Next time.
Won't you
Sing with.
me?
Good job, Maddie. Was that a fun activity? Do you want all of your YouTube friends to try that one? Yeah? Can you tell them
I
to...
need to hide them again.
You want to hide them again? All right, we'll hide them again. Can you tell everybody to give us a big thumbs up?
Get some soup.
Hey, hit the subscribe button.
Okay, Papa.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Say bye-bye.
I'm hiding my records again.
Can Mommy find them next time? Okay, say bye.
Bye.